This is a brand new 2013 Cadillac XTS. This car has a 6-speed automatic transmission, a 6-cylinder engine, and all-wheel drive. Its top features and packages include a limited slip differential, a navigation system, a rear-view camera, a heated steering wheel, heated seats, a 14-speaker audio system, alloy wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: steering wheel memory settings, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, a CD player, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a 4-wheel independent suspension, a passenger side vanity mirror, an anti-lock braking system, a split folding rear seat, and the rain-sensing windshield wipers can turn on automatically if their sensor identifies water on the windshield. This vehicle won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
Stark Automotive is located at 1423 Highway 51 in Stoughton. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.